and onion.
Okay, bite it. Good morning, my darlings. I'm trying to prepare myself so that we can head to Bruges.
It's so much harder now to reach you. Your heart is floating in the sky. We known each other for so
You're using an excuse for me not to go back to the car. Christmas tree with like the bears is so cute.
The bears? Now. What do you even do if you jump on it?
Hey loves, so we're now heading to Ghent. I am going there to get my eyebrows done because I feel like I really need to do the microblading. It's something that I really wanted to do, but I keep on changing. I'm like, I have good eyebrows, let me not do it. But then I feel at this point I really need to get them done because I'm mostly on vacations, and I feel like when I'm traveling I just want to wake up and continue with my day. Sometimes you don't even have to have makeup on, but you just want to feel really good. And also as a content creator, sometimes you wake up, you want to shoot yourself, but then your eyebrows are facing left and right. So yeah, it's just many reasons why I really want to do it. And we're going there with hubby. Hubby's taking me, and then I think we'll have some food in Ghent, either before or after. But then I don't know, I've heard like it's really painful to get the microblading done, but it's like the discomfort, so I'm eager to experience it with you, and I will let you know how it feels, and then we will see. Because I found this lady, I found her salon, I found it on TikTok, and then I clicked on the link from there, and it took me to Instagram. I checked them out. It was so professional, and I felt like really I want to get it done there. So I inquired with them, and then they told me you can come on this day. I was not able to make it on that day, and then I chose another day, which is today. So I'm going there and finally get them eyebrows done. Woof! Damn, baby girl. We'll be looking all good all the time. So that's about it for today.
It's so much harder now to reach you. Your heart is floating in the sky. We known each other for so long. We know our love like an old song. Sing along one more time. It's so much harder now to please you. Your smile is fading with the rain. And we known each other for so long. And your smile is fading with the rain.
I know. My darling, so I am already done with my eyebrows. Of course you cannot see them now because it's a little bit dark. It's raining, and I'm waiting for hubby to pick me up, and then we go look for a place to eat. Are you right? Oh, you're taking a picture of the parking spot. That's better.
Bad memories of the past.
It's raining outside.